Majestic, loyal, and incredibly intelligent horses have been our companions for thousands of years. But did you know these magnificent animals can recognize human emotions and even remember their friends? Let us explore 10 amazing facts about horses. Fact 1. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. They have a special locking system in their legs called the stay apparatus that lets them rest without falling. Fact 2. Horses have one of the largest eyes of any land mammal, almost the size of a tennis ball. They can even see nearly 360 degrees around them. Fact 3C046C1. Just like humans, horses can express emotions, happiness, sadness, and even jealousy. Their facial muscles and ears help them communicate how they feel. Fact 4. A horse's memory is incredibly strong. They can remember a person's face or voice even after many years. Fact 5. The fastest recorded sprint by a horse is 88 kilometers per hour. That's faster than many cars in city traffic. Fact 6 C131C145. Horses drink up to 40 liters of water every day. Hydration is key for their strength and stamina. Fact 7. There are over 350 breeds of horses in the world, each adapted to different climates, terrains, and tasks. Fact 8. Horses have excellent hearing. Their ears can rotate almost 180 degrees to detect sounds from all directions. Fact 9. A horse's teeth never stop growing. That's why they spend most of their time grazing. It helps wear down their teeth naturally. Fact 10. Horses can form deep emotional bonds with humans. They can sense your mood and even mirror your emotions. Horses truly are amazing creatures, strong, sensitive, and full of heart. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more animal facts.